everyone and welcome to Swift Learn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. At Swift Learn, we try harder each day to transform millions of lives. I am Charu and I am back here again with another interesting video. Just remember, if you regularly want to hear from us, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let us start with this one question. You must have observed that when you introduce yourselves to other, you create an impression on them, right? So, similarly, when you introduce others, you decide what other people are going to think of them. The power at that time is in your hands. The ball is in your court at that time. But don't you think that it's a magical quality? Shouldn't you be that person who makes other people feel great about themselves? A magical quality, huh? Just like this magic wand. So today I am going to explain how you can create a magical introduction for others and help them gain power. Let us start. So in this video, we are going to talk about how you can become an introduction wizard. We are also going to discuss what's a mundane introduction and what is an exclusive introduction. We are also going to discuss how can this process be made extremely easy. I have brought the hacks, I have brought the entire template that you can use to create introductions for others and keep them handy for you. Next is I'm also going to teach you how you can spread your magic, and we are also going to discuss a few quick tips. So are you ready and excited? Be glued to your screens because there's a lot coming your way. So how do we become an introduction wizard? The wait is finally over because I am going to teach you how your words can weave a spell on others. It's that you just have to realize the power that your words command if you simply choose them wisely. Yes, if you understand how to exercise the power of your words, you can actually be a glib talker. तुम अपनी पहचान बना सकते हो. You can be a glib talker if you know how to use your words properly, right? Now let us see what is this mundane versus exclusive introduction. What do you think is a mundane introduction? Let us see. Just let us see. There's this one person who is going to introduce his friend Sam. Okay, I'll just do it. Hello, I would like you to meet Sam, a good friend of mine. We used to be in a same school. Pretty typical. Yeah, it is absolutely typical. The mundane way of introducing. But then what's the exclusive way? Let us see what's the exclusive way. Hey Peter, meet Sam. You are going to love Sam. He's one of the most lively people you will ever come across. We contested each other in a speech competition, and he gave me one of the most inventive speeches I have ever heard. Since then, I have been his fan. Playing with words is his strength, and I have learned it too from him. I thought we would never get along, but today we are the best buddies. Can you imagine? See, now when you heard me introducing in two different ways, the mundane way and the exclusive way, which way did you like? कौन सा तरीका अच्छा लगा? Yeah. I mean, I heard you right? You like the second introduction. The second sample can actually benefit you. How can it benefit you? Because it's going to help you establish other person's credibility. What people think of the other person completely depends on you, I told you, right? And then it can also establish your credibility as a glib talker. People are going to understand that you know how you can play with your words, just like Sam does, right? So people are going to actually understand that, and it can benefit you to establish your image as a glib and confident orator. Who doesn't want to become one, right? I am very sure that you want to become one glib talker, and that is why you're watching this video. So stay tuned and let us see what can be the recipe of a marvelous introduction of others. Let us cook it. Oh, Let's not even cook it. I have cooked it for you. Let's just go through it. So the first point is give it a kickstart. When I say give it a kickstart, it means that you start speaking with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. Keep a smile on your face and then start your introduction of others. Add their best quality, right? So just like I mentioned, how Sam is one of the most lively people you will ever meet, right? So that way you have to add their best quality. Number 3, you have to tell a compelling story, a story that people will be ready to buy, right? And for that, you can narrate an incident that actually drew you closer to the person, closer to the best friend, to your best friend, right? So you can actually narrate that incident. If you remember, I narrated how I got closer to Sam, right? How he gave one of the competitive speeches, right? So you can do in the same manner, right? You can follow the same steps. Next thing, you also mention something that you have learned from them. What have you learned from your friend? Is it the art that you have learned, or is it the quality of being helpful that you have learned? It could be anything from everything, right? Just don't forget to mention that quality. Next, end strongly. End on a very good note. Just make sure that your story is sold, right? So I hope this template is going to come very handy whenever you are struggling to introduce others. Just come back to the video, rewatch it, take this template, create an introduction, go and nail it. What is stopping you? Okay, so don't forget to just spread your magic, not through a magic wand, but through the magic of your words. Just remember to speak everything with zeal. I hope you really like the video. Thanks for watching. All the best. Start with today. Try to create an introduction, and you can even post your introduction in some creative way in the comment section. Hoping to read your comments. I hope you are going to definitely love it. Spread it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Take care.